Okay, hi again. This is Johnny Sulman from The Way, the Warrior Arts of Indonesia. The last video I put up, which was the first little tutorial, if you like, got some good response actually. So I am here again in the garden doing a second tutorial, and what I plan to do is just to build up a little on what I showed you in the first tutorial. Maybe some of that was helpful. Some of the positions, you can really drill those and you can really do a lot of repetitions with them, and sometimes you find you can go off in other directions, but I'm going to stay on that theme for now, but just add a couple of little variations to it, so hopefully it should be able to kind of expand a little bit more vocabulary of movement and just help with your own training. Okay, so we're going to start off in our side basang position again. And turn. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From here, now we're going to step into our front basang position and we're going to take a block this time. So stepping forward with a block and coming through with an elbow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back into our side basang position to begin with. Coming up. 1, elbow. 2, elbow. 3, elbow. 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn. 1, 2. As you can see, this is a check for any kick or weapon coming in. Yeah. Also, when we bring it down, it's used also as a kick, and it can also be used as like a sweep, a corset style sweep, front sweep. Okay, so there's a lot of different possibilities that you have within this. Yeah. Okay, so just looking from the guards that you have from these side positions coming up, we have the front guard here. Okay, now if I do it from the side, yeah, you can see the front guard, which can also be used as a kick or as a sweep, as I've said, as a block. Okay, but we've also got front positions that we're using. So from side basang, where I'm coming into the front basang position, yeah, this can be, the rear leg can come up, okay, and the front leg can come back as well. So we have this kind of motion. Yeah, this can be used as a block, this can be used as a block as well, and open up. Yeah. Look at it from the side, stepping into the front. So these movements from side basang, coming up, blocking open, yeah, front basang, coming up, blocking, leg coming up, blocking, yeah. So from this side position, you know, coming up, you can also practice various types of kicks that you have from here. Not only do you have the blocks, but you've got the kicks as well. So I've already mentioned the block that you have here. You've also got a straight downward kick. You've also got a kick in front of you, and then you've also got a snap kick. So if I'm up, there's the snap kick. Look at it from the side. Also then I can do coming up and kick. 2, 3. Watch from the side. 2 and 3. I've also got from there a front kick. So up, down, up, down, up, up. So you're working your balance, your kicking and your blocking all from this posture. Okay, so I want to look at 2 final, very simple little drills, just footwork drills, directional footwork drills from the side basang position that you can work, just turning, just to give you something else that you can begin to look at different changes of direction. Okay, so from side basang position, okay, if I'm moving into the front position, okay, then from here I'm going to turn 180 degrees and turn. Doesn't matter so much what the hands are doing at the moment, you can just use this to block. This is the actually using the Khalid motion that we use in Orchimande, yeah. But you can see I'm just pivoting on my feet. That's giving me 180 degrees position in a very, very short space of time. Okay, now if you look at it from the side here, so I'm going from my side position, stepping in to my front position, and then I'm turning. 1, 2, turning on the heels. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And from now, slightly different one now, into my basang position. I'm now stepping not in front of me, but I'm stepping more at a slight angle. Okay, so I'm coming across the body in a triangular style step. Then I'm bringing the back foot across and I'm turning completely opposite direction. Okay, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If I turn, 1, 2, look at the placement of the foot. 3, and then I can combine those and do both ways. Watch, so I can go 1, turn, 2, turn, 3, and turn, and 4, and turn. Now, all of these have a big sequence with sweeps, with kicks, with blocks, both low and high, but that's something we can do another time. I hope some of these things have been useful to you and you can implement them into your own training. You know, there's lots that you can play with, so have a little go with the footwork, and you know, if you enjoy it, then drop me a line and let me know how you get on, and maybe I'll continue to post a few more of these videos up. Yeah, until now, Take care and be safe.